Hey everybody, welcome to Megalo Global. This is Brandon Gibson, lead developer and owner of the Megalo Global Network. So today I'm going to show you how you can install our new script called the Open Source News Network, which is available on SourceForge for free to build your own news site in under 5 minutes using one of our templates. So we're going to log into the control panel through our servers, and it's called cPanel. It stands for Control Panel. It's one of the most advanced and best softwares out there for managing a server. We're going to go here to our database section, Database Wizard. We're going to create our database, OSNN, for Open Source News Network. Okay, OSNN. And we're going to use password, create a generated password, which, as you can see, the browser created it for me, create. And then you're going to select all privileges so the database and the username can fully speak to each other without restrictions. Then we're going to go to our file manager and upload the files, which, here we go, public. Go to public_HTML. Then website files.zip is the website itself. Extract. Leave the well-known and the CGI-bin file. I see the CGI is removed. CGI-bin should be the correct name. Okay. You know what? That's not accurate. Hang on. I'm going to go to the Greene County Star. CGI-bin, but it's all lowercase. That's why it didn't look right to me. Sticky keys on an apple. CGI-bin is a system folder for the CGI plugins. It's a part of the server. So we're going to go in here, click edit on the env file. Edit. See how it says all this code here? You probably don't understand it. Leave localhost, the database that we just created. We're going to go back to our database section. Click on the OSS one. First, so I don't lose my copy and paste function, I'm going to paste the password right here. There's our auto-generated password for the database. Click this, copy, paste. Copy that text, paste. Paste. Awesome. Now the website has the ability to talk to the database. That's what you want, because every time you create a post or anything, it's going to contact the database. If you click on a link, it's going to contact the database. The database literally runs everything. So then we're going to go to storage. Click permission 775. You simply want to make sure that you have it just like this, because in storage, this is where the website will edit and change files according to what you do. If you create an article, your apps, your pictures, your videos, anything you upload will end up in these specific folders. Then we're going to go back to Bootstrap, do the same thing. Then we're going to go into the Bootstrap file folder and make sure that your cache files are 775. Leave these two alone. Those do not need to be 775. Go back into storage. I want to double check it. Make sure that that's 775. Okay, it's saved. Awesome. So then we're going to go to a new browser, and preferably a private browser because it does not log in the cache. News. Okay, awesome. And it says welcome to the OSNN installer, which stands for Open Source News Network. Okay, make sure your env file, which is basically your configuration file, has the settings. It's got our new generated password database. You can always edit your mail host and stuff later. That's not necessarily required to get it running. Click next. Make sure that this is green. Click next. Okay, see how it checks the folders and the permissions that we just created. Otherwise this would have an X. Click next. There's your login info for default. admin@admin.com and admin. And this link right here will take you to our main news website where you can get support for us. That's the company website that we run, Megalo Global News Network. So then you're going to click exit. Let's go ahead and copy this, make it a little more streamlined. Click exit. Awesome. There's our logo, the Global News, and then admin. And you can always go in and change it later if you want by going up here and clicking settings and account settings. In account settings, we can change our password to whatever you want. And you can also change your name and email and upload a new picture. And that's not me, by the way, that's just a stock photo. Dashboard. 7 categories. You can create more categories for your website, which categories, believe it or not, show up right here. These are your categories. If you create an article and you set it under a category, it'll be under that category. Then you can click editors. News features. Let's see. Add news. Write your title of your article, the category you want it under. Description. It has a little bit of a Microsoft Word feel with the VNC viewer. Your title, image title, and your uploading of your image. Go to your sources. You can put tags, which are basically like hashtags or keywords, so to speak. Let's say OSNN, and put your colon, and it logs it in as a keyword. Right? So that's how you create articles. Go to settings. You can change your site name if you want to call it My News Network. That's what you'd put in here. Your site description, your email, your copyright thing, and that's where we have our open source license deal that we put in place of it. You can change your site style to, I don't know, let's go to green. That's one of my favorite colors. Click save, and then it's going to literally should change your site style. Layouts editor, you can edit your columns. Add code, Discord comments, Facebook comments, other settings. You can put in a header code or a footer code, or even talk.to chat code can go in there. Create widgets and create a follow us URLs. We're going to be adding Megalo Social to this section in our version 2 release. So you'll have options to go to Megalo Social, and if you're wondering what Megalo Social is, that is our Facebook competitor. And you can log in. There's a picture of me. Create posts and everything, pretty much whatever you do on Facebook. So let's say I wanted to put my profile name in there. I'd go to my profile, copy, and then when we get the Megalo Social URL in there, we can click that, paste, save changes. And then next time anybody goes to your site and clicks on the follow me on Facebook, we're going to use the Facebook one, it'll take you right to the profile. There you go. So here in the next version, we're going to be adding Megalo Social to the social links, along with our Pixels platform and all our other platforms that we work on. Follow us. We just covered that. Recent posts, post limit. Let's say you can 10. Limit how many recent posts are showing on the main page. Featured news. Advertise. You can put advertisements in there, so you can gain revenue through ads. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward on how to use the open source news network software. So enjoy. If you guys have any problems, you can always contact me directly at megalonews.com or CEO@megaloglobal.com. Enjoy and have a good day. Happy Easter, everybody.